This wallet balance doesn't lie, it's proof of concept. I'm prepared to teach you the full methodology, creating a purposeless token, milking it for all it's worth, and disappearing without a trace. The financial upside? Let me put it this way, you'll need to upgrade your banking limits. The exact protocol is coming, but first, a hard truth. Pump fun is amateur hour. What you're about to learn is the refined technique that builds fortunes, with profit margins so extreme, your banking app might crash from the shock. Let me show you a textbook example of market failure. Access Photon and isolate the pump fund DEX listings. The continuous flood of worthless coins like Dogpurang, Elon Pack, and countless copycats will demonstrate exactly why barriers to entry matter. This is what you get when anyone can participate. An ocean of failed experiments from unqualified creators. Note this definitive comparison. Radium's curated 5 launches in 10 minutes generate more authentic demand than Pump Fund's entire output. The rationale is indisputable. Coding prerequisites ensure market integrity. This is the tier where we execute. The verified methodology comes next. What I'm presenting today will alter your financial future irrevocably. Launch Tool renders coding skills obsolete, putting institutional-grade launch capabilities in every investor's hands. The operation? Flawlessly simple, intuitive enough for anyone. 1 month of empirical testing proves the profit margins are both reliable and exceptional. This isn't just another platform, it's the definitive edge in decentralized finance. I've acquired this optimal logo specimen, maintaining my distinctive dog-themed branding, access Canva, and dimension it to surgical 128 by 128 precision. Perform final modifications, observing my live edits. And after you're done tweaking it, then preserve the file. Textbook professional asset preparation. Initiate the process by accessing Launch Tool's professional dashboard. Our trademarked official Chill Dog, ticker, Chill, establishes immediate brand recognition. The tagline, "Just a chill dog enjoying every minute of his life," demonstrates our marketing sophistication. Post-logo verification, proceed to the advanced tokenomics configuration where we'll implement institutional financial frameworks. The differentiator? The preset 1 billion supply aligns perfectly with our strategic roadmap. No alterations necessary. Progressing. The creator profile demands 0.1 Sol for cosmetic benefits, swiftly disabled. Social media linkages, consistently counterproductive in our methodology. Another tactical omission, as it's not really required. This checkpoint reveals who comprehends professional execution. This is fundamental security doctrine. Disabling revoke mint grants unrestricted minting authority, meaning you can generate limitless tokens at will, whenever the moment suits you, while revoke update enforces contractual permanence. Disabling either function makes your project radioactive to sophisticated capital. These market makers possess forensic-level scrutiny. They'll blacklist your token pre-launch. These protections remain fully engaged unless you desire complete exchange isolation. Finalize by activating Launch My Token and awaiting your wallet's instantaneous response. Complete the transaction authentication process. Our structural framework is now blockchain immutable. Third-party verification via SolScan demonstrates impeccable execution. Study the confirmation carefully. The liquidity matrix now requires our expertise. Access Launch Tool's Create Liquidity Pool command, our automated transfer to Radium's exchange protocol. First checkpoint, wallet integration status confirmation. The strategic placement comes next, installing our meme token as the base trading asset. Activate the token selection protocol, then advance to Launch Tool to extract your precise contract location. Re-engage with Radium's platform and position this address in the authentication field below the token indicator. Our terminal configuration, Chill as our trading symbol, accompanied by official Chill Dog as our official title. Implement Add User Token to finalize these parameters, then re-verify your token election. We're committing 900 million units from our 1 billion reservoir, the institutional standard for viral meme assets. Sol operates as our base pairing mechanism. This illustrates the professional premium. Initial liquidity deployment offers complete financial insulation. Standard protocol, pre-allocate 0.2 Sol for blockchain fees, preserving a working reserve of 1.28 Sol on my end, a strategic buffer to ensure operational flexibility when needed. Required setting, the 2% fee framework. Post full system verification, initialize liquidity pool, and authorize the transfer. Objective secured. Our exchange platform is now active. Exchange integration verified. Our token now appears within Photon's official market listings. Proceeding to performance assessment. Engage DEX Screener's institutional platform and designate any trading pair as our reference point. Following complete interface initialization, transition to Launch Tool to extract your token's blockchain designation. Re-access DEX Screener's analytical environment, exchange the sample address for your validated contract parameter, and execute the market query. Behold, our comprehensive trading visualization materializes with technical precision. Override the irrelevant bot signals. Our operational concentration remains fixed on substantive order flow. And remarkably, we've achieved organic buy-side participation within minutes. Its current value stands at $34, which directly translates to 0.22 Sol. And it was placed 4 minutes ago, but I'll need to wait a bit more for other orders as well. A few minutes have already gone by, and yet still no movement. Oh, right as we're speaking, a second order just landed. $40, or to be precise, 0.26 Sol. Though if you check closely, it's edging remarkably close to 0.27. Live metrics display $602 in active liquidity alongside a $518 market valuation. Complementary indicators of continued appreciation. Exemplary, an additional $28, which is absolutely the same as 0.19 Sol allocation, has just processed at the 20-second mark. This unassisted market adoption cycle demonstrates infinite repeatability. Our protocol's self-sustaining design transcends traditional growth constraints. My conservative estimates proved inadequate. Market alert. A tertiary purchase executes ahead of schedule. The intake speed rewrites liquidity assumptions. Exceptional. The $31, which is 0.21 Sol profit barrier, now falls. The appreciation pattern resembles parabolic ascent. Take a close look at the numbers. Liquidity is holding at $587, while the market cap trails behind at $481. Every figure tells a story. The operational chronology, barely exceeding a 38-minute window. We've shattered conventional growth timelines. I'm harvesting at these superior valuations. Implementation, access Radium's trading environment, validate wallet integration, and select the standard function from the lower dashboard. The withdrawal algorithm, initiate the negative delta control, then extend the slider to complete 100% range. These considerable numbers, while potentially disorienting, quantify your total recoverable capital. Extraneous numbers hold no import. The SOL measurement constitutes your direct balance increase. Activate remove liquidity and authorize. Process completed. This alert confirms asset conversion, the strategic payoff we anticipated. Phantom's interface demonstrates $320 secured profits. Capital conversion verified, $250 input, generating $320 output, superior to traditional markets. Compliance statement, unaffiliated with all demonstrated infrastructure. This represents theoretical market exploration. Though present strategy metrics are exceptional, cryptographic markets require nanosecond timing. Your participation window is actively closing. Delay equals forfeiture.